Evening, welcome to Gwan. So tonight we're at Old Town and we're now currently in YOLO Lounge. It's a really cool vibe and space. Really cool lights and there's lots of different levels. There's balcony up the top. Yeah, really fun atmosphere in here. If we have a look, there's kitchen as well, so you can do some food options, not just drinks. Let's head downstairs and see what's on this level. Yeah, I really like it here. It's one of my favourite spots in Old Town. And then you've got a mechanical bull there, so you can ride that with your mates. There's also a bit more of a chilled vibe, so you can sit down. It's not as music, or as loud music, I should say, as upstairs. Right, we're going to head back out to the strip now. So YOLO Lounge, really cool little space. Okay, so this brings us back to the main road. Take a little walk around that area and see what the next bar we want to go and explore. It's not too busy, but it's busy enough that if you want to kind of have fun and there's still people around, you've got room to move and you're not queuing ages to get drinks. It's quite a good time of year to come. It's not too chilly either, a little bit cooler, a little bit of a breeze in the air, but a little jacket and you're good to go. Okay, so we've now come to like the main bit. It's really lots of like bars and clubs in this area, so you're really spoilt for choice. So we're just going to take a walk down this like main road, and as you can see there's Bank. So that's a really cool space. It's got like 3 levels, really nice bar and everything inside, and you can dance, cocktails, really good offers. This is Artrum. I think that's how you're saying it. But you can see there they got like a balcony and you can sit and have your drinks. Hi, people waving. Yeah, downstairs area. And again, if you go in there, it's got like a dance space. Oh, Domino's, another one. Again, they've all got like really nice sort of like levels to them. So you can have a good dance or just sit down at the bottom and be amongst the sort of crowd and see what's happening along the strip at the bottom floor or ground floor. Right, let's keep going. So that's Twist. So yeah, you're really sport for choice. There's so much going on, and like I said, it's not super busy, but it's busy enough that there's still a lot of people around. Got the classic bar here, drinks and cocktails. Again, got a really nice outdoor space. You can watch the football, sports. We have a little look inside. Yeah, so nice dance floor. And you got like the bar. It's a good atmosphere in here. Next place, JC, little cool space. Doesn't look as busy in there. But again, got like a dance floor. Got a little spa there. This little space is Marmorita Cafe. Looks like a bit more of like a pub bar, a bit more chilled in that one. And then we've got Piccadilly. Got the cannabis shop, Bank. Yeah, Piccadilly's always really popular. This is actually very close to where we're staying, so we might go in this one. Again, you can see it's got like a dance floor. So let's have a quick look inside. Yeah, really nice in here. Not too big, but big enough that you've got room to dance. It's really busy here. Having a little bit of a dance, good music, nice and loud, really liking all of the lights. I can try and put a link to how much the drinks were, but yeah, good prices on the cocktails. Okay, let's go to the next place. Okay, so now coming up to the Vegas, and then you've got the meat opposite. Right, let's go. So like I said, on the right hand side you got Vegas, and it does cocktails, live music. It's always really busy and a great atmosphere. It's usually packed out on the street, so it's actually quite quiet for its usual. Got like a little market here, which is quite nice. They do some like jewelry, your hair braided. This one does cocktails, €5 from takeaway. Yeah, really good options. And this is literally just where those big bars are. Really nice. Hi. Yeah, really good. I hope you got to see like a taste of what Old Town's like this time of year, and some of the bars and restaurants. Comment below if you've been here before or if you'd like to see something different going forward. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment.